Hey guys, we're gonna turn in Dapper Bear's quest. Yeah. Oh, nice. Now that was his actual. Now does that give you a present if I'm not wrong? No? Does it not give you a present? Wait, I forgot how to get presents. Wait, are they from where? Or not snow? Air? Air no? Okay. Anyways, so let me grab some pollen real quick and we can use further. Okay, there we go. And we can turn in brown. Oh, I should time just. Okay. I really don't even care about top stuff. Something for now. I already have them, so I'm like, I don't care. Polar bear. Chop chop, sizzle, stir, drop, blah blah blah. Every 90 minutes, get those bitter berries. Nom, nom, nom. mm. Okay, that's that quick. Fireflies. Well, that's all I can do. See y'all. Hey guys, we never talked to Bee Bear in the last. Let's just talk to him. Important. Oh, it's always. Hmm. Broken to the street from where? Let me grab a tree. Ding. Got it. So far, he has 5 each. While we're using it, let's go ahead and buy some stuff. And I guess we don't have. Oh, we have 5 gingerbread bears. Not like I'll be feeding them anyway. Feed 5 treats to your bees? Admire his wealth cloth. Won't be getting much honey. That was weird. I don't understand that. I guess that's just 3 more. Ooh, a cloud fight. Ooh, okay, so that's how we get presents. Alright, go ahead and check inside the house. Yeah, I'm only gonna get one. I'll have to do that too. Okay, so besides that, let's go ahead and deliver the one present that we have. Okay. Ding. Oh, and he gave this a 3 buy on this. Now, there's not really anything else that I can do. It's nighttime. It's nighttime. It's nighttime. It's nighttime. It's nighttime. It's night. Got it. Just in time. See how it's offset? You can actually just fix that by doing that. Twist, twist, twist. Let's go. Yay! Now the lights are operational. Ooh, 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 whoa. I thought he was giving us more than just a red drive. Okay, here's another. Go, 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 quick, quick! No! Okay, just beating coconut crab here. To get that other gingerbread. I know you can get gingerbreads from him. That is if I get lucky. Get even one. Okay, come on. Can I get one gingerbread, please? Yeah, thank you. Oh, yeah. Oh, it doesn't collect them all? Oh, well, these do. Dang. I wonder if you can get, like, cogs or something, too. I don't want to grab one. Okay, let's turn in mother bears. Wait, who is that? Oh, well, B-bear, my bad. Straight line, blah, blah. Hey guys, let's buy some things real quick. Let's go ahead and buy a planter and let's buy some glitter. We'll have 0, but just got really lucky. Like, bloop. And yeah, there we go. 2 more items pulled off on the list.
Hey!
Hooray! New Code Bullet video.
Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Hi, has this ever happened to you? If so, do I have a product for you? Introducing Code Bullet Dark Mode. What an innovation. Now you can enjoy Code Bullet videos without permanent damage to your retinas. Just kidding, bitches, this is my house. Flash bomb, bah! That's right, fuck your retinas. I don't give a shit. Don't you ever tell me what to do again. Don't ever. In other news, I will...
Hey, what's going on, guys? So let's go ahead and open the 3, and I don't know where the 4 is, but I think it's that one. Let's go ahead and open it and see what we can get. 3, 2, 1. 10 blueberries, my red extract, 10 snowflakes, 2 smooth dice, 1 magic bean, 4 smooth dice, 20 snowflakes, 10 strawberries, 1 blue extract. In your faces. Okay. Let me grab these first. So we got 10 blueberries, 1 red extract, magic bean, 10 strawberries, blue extract, 4 dice, 20 snowflakes, and then gift to gift. Royal jellies, bottled, a bottle cap, 1 bottle cap. Oh, is that a B equip? Cool. 6 microconverters, which I don't think will add to my account. Yes, they do. They do account. 6 microconverters, 6 gingerbread, 20 silver, 5 treats, and someone has. By jolly, you've done earned gift boxes. Hey, present. Ooh. Run down broken, scrapped apart. Oh, that's what that was when I saving him. Okay. Okay, let's open up the 5th gift box. We got 3, 4, get 5. Blow catching on the roof. Star jelly, griddle oil, 3 snowflakes. Nice. That was number 5. 6 oils. Now we're at good number. This is something different. Aha, I found it. It's nighttime. Let's grab and go. Grab. Do some white balloons. So we got oiled snowflakes, blueberries, world. See if we can get a vicious. Spiderfield. Go. Don't. Go. Yes! Got here. Really the bees that were this. And a bear. That's what it was. There you are. Yeah. Every 90 minutes, you have 60 seconds to feed it to melt. So be prepared. It's tough. Harder and harder. Yeah. I got you, man. Aww, look at you. 14, that's it. Oh, now I gotta wait an hour and a half to defeat it. Gotta do a level 2 snowbird. Now, I have that glitch. 1 ticket and 14 snow. Besides that, yeah, I think that's all I can do. See y'all. Hey guys, let's get the white drive for 200. There we go. See y'all. Hey guys, we're gonna collect this guy. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, I would say we got from that. So that gave us... yeah, only 14. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, that only gave us 11. That wasn't much? The heck? And then we have this really big planter. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab it. This would have been worth it than the other fields, but it wouldn't have given me like the amount of nectar that I would have wanted or needed. Oh, right, we can get some from the stockings. But besides that, so that is, looking at it, that is bee bears, I think. And really, the only things that we have to do now are collect invigorating and comforting nectar. And all the planters? That's it? Invigorating. Okay, so invigorating and comforting. Let me check, make sure. Invigorating and comforting, 8 hours. These grow each in 6 hours. So if I'm in the field for 2 hours, that'll add 2 hours each, and then collect them when they're done at 6 hours. So now let's check the fields. So we know we want the red and the blue, but where do we need to put them at? That's the real question. So, huh. Looks like we need to put them in the spider and mushroom. Does that microverter go onto my thing? I don't think so. It's only from like quest. So, if we have to do that... Ah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I don't know why. I think this is like a safe spot. So we can put the blue one here. And then the mushroom here, we can put the red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now time to let those grow, and we can get comforting and invigorating 8 hours of plain steel collection. Then we can, there, I guess, I don't know. Go from there, add that, collect. So we would need 11 from the spider field, which I think is possible. That, I'm not sure. And then we would need 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 from the mushroom, which it won't be possible. Now, I think we can add a secondary planter. So I'm gonna put the tacky plant. Okay, you can't do that. Never mind. Never mind. Anything else we can do? Like the 100 snowflakes, delete snow bear, collect tokens from there. Defeat, defeat, defeat. Defeat, defeat, really? No, I call it defeat, but that's stick build. Defeat, stick build. 8 hours, gotta do that from that one. 8 hours, gotta do that from that one. Bubbles. Use some snowflakes. And collect soft wax. Is there anything we can buy before I leave y'all? No, there is not. That kind of sucks. I was expecting there to be something. Wow, it's stuck in the present? Really? Oh, there's nothing we can get. But yeah, that's all for now. See ya. Hey guys, so let's defeat this level 2 snow bear. So, kind of cute. Oh, that was a good bit of stuff, actually. Who do we turn it in? Oh, war. Whoa. The glitch drive is getting at full speed. Yo, let's go. Yeah. Oh. Glitch drive. Okay, yeah, right. Only get those 5 quests. Now it's just 1, 2, 3. 3 more, and that's it. Oh. Hey, what's going on, guys? So let's collect this planter. Hey. Oh, this gave us a lot. And we got Bucko's quest done. that? Nickname 9999. Be winter, talk to Bucko B. Just a few more adjustments, and boom! Snowstorm every 2 hours. Ooh, nice. Ticket planter, snowflakes, everything. So now, let's snowstorm. See if we can get anything from the shop, which I can. So. Well, I mean, could get and this. I have enough. 21. Enough. That's 83. So let's buy this bundle. Let's buy bundle. Alright. So looking at the catalog, gotten a lot of it done, really. Gotten the main things that I want to get. I know there's a lot that I don't. Yeah, let's get this snowstorm. And we good. I think we'll go into Dandelion. He took my snowflake. Okay, what else could we do? Yeah, we could give a present. I don't have enough to buy the next present, but we've gotten Black Bear, so we can give the next one. I think I only have one present. Yeah, I only have one. Okay. Here you go, Mama Bear. Puppy pillow, cool. Booze. Ding. Not a lot of honey. Oh, I don't think there's anything else we can do. Except for really the planters. Gotta get. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put that purple. Not the purple. Like purple. Could defeat a snow bear. Oh, I forgot. He gives a lot of snow. And then he gives snowflakes on top when they're small. Ooh. And I got a soft light. Yeah, there's nothing else I don't think we can do. Really, the only thing I can do is put something this field that will give me a lot of things. And to be honest, just to oops. That let me think. Yeah, I thought about it for a while, and I guess I'll just be putting the tacky planter because it's 8, so. And I need a lot from the mushroom field, so I don't know if that'll give us. Let's. If this were to fully fill up, that would be 10, 11, 12. That's 13. I don't think we can get 13 from tacky planter. So I may have to do it again, but besides that, that's all we can do. Yes, see y'all. Alright, guys. So, we got the planter here in this spider field done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, that's good. Let me have the planter in here done. Ooh, cactus. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh wait, I'm on the wrong field for that. Whatever. Oh, that did give me the 8 hours though, so that's good. Now I just gotta wait on that one, and we can have 0 balloons. I can. But... So now it's just getting them from the mushroom field. Oh, didn't notice that. So, looking at it so far, Stickbug is gonna be the hardest, but I can get these two done for sure. And then this is I think, yeah, I'm pretty sure this is Dappa Bears, planters from mushroom. So, I claimed 2 of them, and I don't need the motivate or nectar anymore. So. I think it's best if I don't even place down a planter if I don't even know what I'm gonna need or want. Because, I mean, like, I don't care. So I think it's just time for me to get this one done. Alright, see y'all. Alright guys, so we got this planter for this one. Oh yeah, we definitely got enough. Let's go! I think this is Dappa Bear's 3rd quest. I'm not sure. Not that bad. That's not bad, I guess. Ow. Ugh. 4 hours of invigorating nectar. Okay, looking at the statistics sheet, invigorating nectar can come from the pineapple. Pepper pad. And I need 4 hours to boop-a-da-boo. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know, that's something I like to do. Need 4 hours, but what gives me invigorating? Satisfying, comforting. I need 4 hours, so should be able to get invigorating really quick. Let's just make sure we get invigorating nectar. Not a single bee. Good. Alright. And I'm really close to getting these other things done. Gotta get some cogs from the challenge. Haven't done that yet because don't know how many passes I have. Oh, okay, I only have 9 passes. Let's actually go and collect. I think I should be able to collect one. Yeah. 10 robo passes. Hey, yeah guys, I think that's all we're gonna do. In the next video, I am going to turn in Riley bees and most likely Onyx Lit Art at the same time. And then most likely get this done. I don't know, I'm not sure. But once I get like maybe 2 of them, if not 3 of them done, I'll do them all at the same time. I will do a Robo Bear challenge, and I will get that to be, and I'll put all these drives onto them. I'll put like 10 of each. And then we have these vials. Don't have I don't have any use for it, really. I'm not into the use of it. Plus, I don't have an invigorating. So that's kind of sad, but whatever. Oh yeah, we might be able to buy something from the shop. Okay, we can buy the present. Okay, so let's go and give it to somebody. Okay, thought about it, and let's give it to Brown Bear. There goes the Brown Bears. And anything else we can buy in the shop? No, and not right now. I think the next thing I'll buy is I'll buy these two together. I'll buy that and together. So we'll get the top stuff. But yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. See ya. Alright, so let's start round 2 and see what we can get. I'm just gonna mute myself. Okay, unmuted myself, finally. I thought I was muted for a second. I was like, I was gonna mute myself. Let's start 2, shouldn't we? Ah. Hmm. Hmm? Oh, I can too. Oh, it cost cogs to do this. So this is round 2. Okay. While we're at it, we can do a level 5 Snow Bear. Hopefully. Oh, 10,000. That shouldn't be too bad. Oh, I thought I was struggling. Red, that's not bad, I guess. Okay, and I saw a post from Onnit saying that round 3 you will have a 100% chance of getting a golden cog, so that's what the first thing I'll do. Okay, so I'm gonna take the lower one anyways. Where is it? Not up here or there. Where is it? Maybe I should just do this one. Okay, there we go, I got it. Let's see if we can enhance Digital P with one of these drives. It can only be done during the challenge, so let's go ahead and do the next one. Hmm. Oh wait, I never checked the top field, the mountaintop field. Maybe it was there. Oh, there it is. How much health? 6,000? Whoops. I don't even think I can do it. Maybe I can. Okay, I got 3 minutes. You have a face? Oh, he does. Okay, almost there on the golden cog mode. I think this field's popular because I had it last time. I think y'all saw. There we go. Got it. Let me go to a higher level field and get this done quicker. Maybe I can complete it? I don't know. I'm taking a gamble, actually. Ah, and more keep coming. That's not good. Yeah, I don't think I can do it. Oh. That's the thing I don't understand, why there's so many. Got it! Ooh! Ooh! What was that? Fuzzy Bee to the rescue. Yeesh. Okay, now I just need to get more cogs, so I will do that. I don't really care if I fail, because I got more. Alright. Where are my beans? There they are. Maybe they had to go to sleep? I don't know. Okay, what is easier but can give me... I'm wearing a red mask. That... Yes. No berry! I didn't see that. Hmm. White pollen, that should be easy. I'm gonna go up to coconut feet. Oh wait, it's probably better if I go to frickin'... Yeah, this is all white pollen. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna fail this. Yeah. May be able to do it. If my bees stop attacking... No! Ah! Oh, I got a white drive from that? That's cool. Claim that reward, yes. Okay, now... I forget to put the drives. I don't know if you can put all of them at the same time or whatnot, but... looking at the amount of ginger bits I have, I can't hit that. Actually, I could. See how many we get. 5. 10 hours, that's it? Let's buy those whirlywigs. Buy that planter. And... oh, wow, that's it? That's all we can get? Alright. See? Alright, guys, I completed on its lid art. It didn't take that, but it wasn't that bad. E. 8 hours, summon 3 temporary bees to join you for 30 minutes, and nice. Wait a second, I should have more than the allocated amount of robo passes. Yeah, I do. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Well, 5. Ooh, super smooth. Nice. And we can actually do this one right now. I wonder if they help me during the Robo Bear challenge. but right now I have, I'm in the middle of one. So let me do it right in front of you guys. Where I'll give a white try to Digital B. Okay. ICB for sure. Precise B for sure. But while I'm at it, I will give a white drive, red drive, blue drive, a glitch drive. Wait, did I lose those drives? Hold on. Okay, so I went out. No way, did I lose a drive? I lost 4 drives. What? How do I give him the drives? What? Yeah, I don't know, guys. I'm gonna have to figure this out. Anyways, see y'all. I don't know how to get Digital B to upgrade. See y'all. Hey guys, so I got Digital B, so let's go on from here. Okay, I don't know what's wrong. What's not working? My game crashed? I didn't even get to use... What? What? How does that work? Okay, I got Digital B. So I don't have to have it the first time. So I know last time, like you guys saw, it didn't work. So I'm gonna try it this time since I have Digital B physically with me this time. They even come up over here too. So let's enhance him with the white drive. Okay, he's enhanced with the red drive, blue drive, and a glitch drive. Can we do it again? Okay, so the drives are already active, so they're already being used. You can't reuse them. Okay. Okay, so since we already upgraded, whoops, him once, can we redo it? I don't know, but let's see if we can get some soft wax this time. Okay, we got one. Now it's still growing, so I'm gonna just grab it. Okay, so we didn't get any from here. It's not good. Can we get some from the red planter? No, we cannot. So, soft waxes I'll have to get from somehow. But, yeah, and then soft waxes for Riley, which are so difficult for some reason. I'll have to figure that out. So, as I understand, only if you have Digital Bee in the physical challenge, you can get it. To use the things with it. Oh, so close. Do I have 10? No, I only have. Anything else we can buy? Nope. Okay, so let me try again. And let me see if I can do it again. Or would you have to do the round multiple times? Okay, so you can do it every physical round. Now we should have 2. Okay, let me get this done. Quick. Okay, got it done. So let's get into the next round and add some more. So I assume we can't do it twice on Digital Bee. I assume that's what that is about. Can we re-enhance them with the drive? No, we cannot. Oh, you don't even have to put it on there. I thought you did. Okay, I don't think I'm gonna be able to do this one, but I'll try. Got it done. This is where I may lose. Okay, white pollen, that'll be good. Photon bee, yes, really good. Really good for white pollen. Let's do cogs. So every round you can enhance him with 1 drive. While also being able to do so. Oh, and I noticed this too. So you get the perks of while also putting them on. What was that? Did I just get hit by one? I don't know. I didn't think so. Can I get it done? Yeah, I can. And I'm pretty sure we can buy drives, right? Yeah, we can buy drives. What am I thinking? $50. And then 5 of each. Pick. No, thank you. Alright, let's try round 6, see what happens. Pollen. We'll definitely need fuzzy. We'll need a rad bee for red. I have 75 cogs. Blue. We have 2 cogs. And I don't really need cogs in the first. I'll do bee attack. Now we can enhance them even more. And it's best to do glitch drive because it gives an even tone on all feet. I actually did it. Huh. I don't know how I'm gonna get the Mega McSqueetos, but I'll try. Hmm. Wait, what was my task? I don't even need it. Whoops. Oh, I forgot to enhance them again. Yeah, it looks like I'm not gonna be able to do this one. Well, I got the 7. Yeah, I guess. Hmm. What? Why is he always red? But yeah, we got 6 onto him now. So, now I understand the specification. So, you must have a digital bee active in the Robo-Bear challenge, where you have to select him in the selective list of bees that can be there. So yeah, there's like practically no way I'm ever going to be doing Robo-Bear challenges at all, because that's a little too hard. That's end game. That's ELOL type stuff. Sir, you can do it. I can't. But I will be maxing him out. When I say maxing him out, I mean I'm gonna get him to the max of what I got, which is only 10, and I've enhanced him. So when you put a drive on, not only does it enhance the digital bee, it also adds on top. So now, if we were to look at his specification, we have 6, and then looking down here, you guys can see it. I don't know where it is. It may be in this. I'll have to read this entire thing. But yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for this. I wasn't able to turn in anything. I almost got everything done. I was close, you know. Really close. But yeah. See y'all in the next one.